how to Robinhood options. Now if you want to do option trading on Robinhood, you basically first of all have the Robinhood app. The first thing you need to do is actually enable option trading. So when you sign up for Robinhood, you'll be asked about your option trading preferences and financial status. If you're approved, you can enable option trading in your account settings in the investing lab. Now after you have done that, right, so after you have the individual investing and you come to the options tab and then you want to begin trading, right, you have to first select a stock. So you can use the magnifying glass to look up the ticker of the stock you want to trade. Go to the trade option and place an order. So you can place a good till cancelled or good for day orders. A GTC order stays open for 90 days or until you cancel it or it's filled. A GFD order is automatically cancelled at market close on the dates placed if it doesn't execute. Then you can exercise your options. So you can open Robinhood, go to your position screen by tapping the chart icon in the lower left, as you can see right here. Then you can tap on the exercise option and you should be able to follow the instructions to basically do option trading. So this way you can do Robinhood options. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.